Moin, Esch in Mike, an American in Luxembourg, and this is Jackie Messerich. Jackie, who and or what are you?
I'm a Luxembourgish teacher and I'm also an author of Luxembourgish textbooks.
We are at Les Hauts Furneaux.
Les Hauts Furneaux.
Les Hauts Furneaux.
Yeah.
The high furnaces in Esch-Belval, which is the old steelworks here. And they're open and you can climb all up. It's like one of these things here. There's two of them. There's one there and there's one right here. And you can climb all up really high to get up to like 40 meters or higher. And they make you wear these helmets and these fetching hairnets that I think we get to keep and take them home as a souvenir. So we're going to talk about Luxembourgish. Specifically, do or dear. Do means
you,
and dear means
you.
Okay. When would you use do? When would you use dear?
Yes, do. You use it if you know somebody and if you are friends with somebody, or even for children or for family members.
So it's informal.
Yes.
Okay, so it's informal. Dear is
Formal for your boss or people you don't know. Among adults, they say dear to each other.
English. We don't have that. We just have you. So
Yes.
everyone's a you.
Yeah.
There's no do. There's no dear.
Easy.
Last week I saw your mother and I tried to speak a little Luxembourgish with her, and I said do.
Yeah.
And she pretty much picked up her handbag and wanted to hit me across the face.
She almost did. Yes.
She got violent. Obviously not, but I shouldn't have done that, right?
Well, she is okay with that because she knows that you're learning and you didn't do it on purpose.
Okay. But in general, people will take offense to that, right?
Yes, sometimes people don't like when you say do to them because they would say like, did we go to school together or do we know each other well? Or...
How do we know? How do we get from that point where we are dear to each other, but not dear to each other, to now we are due to each other?
Well, sometimes it comes naturally if you know somebody well, so sometimes you just switch to do, but sometimes also you just offer the do to somebody. Like, for example, if somebody is older than you, there are rules. Normally, somebody older should offer you.
Okay, so the older person.
There are even verbs like duzen, to say do. It's duzen, and to say dear, it's dierzen. So
Du kannst
mich duzen.
Du kannst mich duzen.
Yeah.
This dear, which is similar to the vous in French, parlez-vous français,
Yeah.
whatever, is also used for plurals.
Yes.
If you're addressing a group of, even if they are dues to you, 5 dues, they are going to be dear.
Yeah.
I've asked dear here to tell you about whatever. Whereas in English, we don't have that. They would always be you. So that's
a poor language.
It's such a poor language. So that's why I think like use guys. Hey, use guys, you need to do this, or you all need to get your act together, or whatever. You know.
Yes, you would say dear for do and do and do and do, and also for dear and dear and dear and dear. So
Great. Well, this has been very interesting.
Okay.
Adi, bis next keer.
Adi.
Ow.